Hello, good night. My name is Leidys Pantoja. I am 27 years old and I am from Valencia, Córdoba. I currently live in Bogota. I live with family. I work in a factory of dental implants. I am dental mechanic. I study psychology. I like to listen to music and dance. And my favorite sport is baseball. My favorite TV is Elite, and I like to read a book. Teach my family. Mom and dad are separated. They have 3 children. My sister is Lina. He live in Chile. She she is 29 years old. My brother is Elber and live in Bogota. He is 24 years old. I ladies. My mom has a husband. They have two children. Her name is Wendy and Wilfred. My mother live in Medellin. She is very beautiful. Star brunette and she is 49 years old. She is dressmaker. My father is thin and white. He is 50 years old. He is farmer and live in Valencia.